Configuring custom ports in Opera Mail. This demo assumes you've already opened Opera. Click on the Opera account to access your mail accounts. Click Mail and Chat Accounts. You will see a list of your accounts. Choose the one for which you want to change ports. Please click on Edit to continue. Please click the Servers tab. Please note that for POP Mail, the SSL port should be 995. And for SMTP Mail, the SSL port should be 465. So let's change the ports now. Change the port for the POP server to 995. Change the port for the SMTP server to 465. Please click on OK to continue. You have successfully set the custom ports. This is the end of the tutorial. Now you know how to configure custom ports in Opera Mail.